subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Techronic Fox and today we are gonna see how to download VMware, Ubuntu and install Ubuntu in VMware. Open your web browser and just type VMware, which is actually a virtual machine software. I already told you. Now go to the link where you see VMware virtualization for desktop and server, which is the second link for me. So this is the website. Go to products, then search for Workstation Pro. I think it will be in personal desktop. Yeah, Workstation Pro. Click on that and just download the software, which is a trial version. If you want to use a lifelong validity version, then you need to download the crack software, which I won't recommend because it contains some virus and malicious scripts. So it's better to use the trial version. If you want to use virtual machine for free, then you need to download the Oracle virtual machine, but go ahead and download it. So download this one for a trial version. Okay, now we are gonna search for Ubuntu. Download Ubuntu. So the first link is actually the Ubuntu's official link. So this is the official website for Ubuntu. You can download the OS for free. It's actually free. LTS stands for lifetime support. So just go ahead and download it. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, after downloading the virtual machine and the Ubuntu, click on virtual machine and install the VMware. Mine is workstation 10, so I have already used this software. Now click on next, agree the license, next, then choose the typical and click on next, next, next. Okay, now click on continue. It will start to install. There you can see a desktop icon. So it's installing. Wait for some time. I'll just skip a little bit. Okay, so click on finish and now you can see your virtual machine installed. Now to install Ubuntu in virtual machine, then click on virtual machine, open virtual machine software, then click on create a new virtual machine, then choose typical and click next. Then here click on install an ISO disk and browse for the Ubuntu software. Mine is in desktop, so click on browse and here it is in desktop. Click on the ISO file. ISO file is nothing but your downloaded Ubuntu OS. Click on next, then give a name for your Ubuntu machine. I will give it as Ubuntu. Then your username for that machine. Mine is Fox from Techronic Fox, and give it a password. Then click on next, next, next. Then you need to specify the hard disk size, your virtual machine storage size. Mine is 20. Next, then go to customize hardware. Then you need to specify the RAM size. I will give it as 2 GB for my Ubuntu machine. Then go to network and make sure you select NAT, which is network address translator. Then go to display make sure you tick that box and close it, then click on next. So guys, now your Ubuntu has been installed. Now the virtual machine is loading in your VMware software. Now you can see the Ubuntu OS is running. Wait for some time. Now the process is, you have installed the virtual machine and you have configured it. Now we are installing the Ubuntu inside the virtual machine. So now you can see it's getting installed. Okay guys, now as you can see, Ubuntu has a beautiful interface which is somewhat like Windows operating system. That's why I recommend, for beginners who are using Linux, they can use Ubuntu, which is user friendly, and they have all sort of ease of access things like that. Okay, now I'll just skip my video a bit because it will take some time. So now it's getting installed. Now it's running. It's booting the Ubuntu. As you can see, the operating system is getting booted. Wait for some time. You need to wait for some time as your operating system is getting booted. Here you go. Now tap the password for your machine which you have given already. Okay, now after logging in, this is your Ubuntu virtual machine. So that's all guys. Please subscribe, like and share.